Yeah, so this is how we're starting the video. So I'll wait. Go ahead, get your jokes out, get your questions out. What happened? Why your hair look like that? Girl, where you going? I'm not going anywhere. Obviously, I didn't think my hair was gonna turn out like this, but I tried to do a perm rod set on blown out hair and I added mousse. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I promise you, I'm gonna just do bantu knots in the front. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not doing this. I'm not. No. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn this into a cute high puff style, because that's basically all we can do when your hairstyle fails and you might have somewhere to go, or you at least want to look decent. So let's just get into this high puff. Absolutely no definition. I don't know what kind of perm rod set I thought I was gonna do, but listen, I don't know what happened. With natural hair, everything is like trial and error. You know, you try something, if you fail, it's all right. Put it in a high puff. Anyway, I'm gonna take my gel and my brush, an old shoestring, because I don't know where my long scrunchie is, and let's get started. supply stores. Edge Tamer First Touchdown. So I'm gonna see how well it works. I could never get my edges to match. Do anybody else have that issue? It's like this side wave the right way, and then when I try to do it on this side, it just doesn't. So I don't think this works very well. I usually use my edge booster, edge control. So let's go in with my edge booster. And of course, you gotta set it. Gotta set them edges. Alright, boom. So you know I had to throw on some bamboo earrings and a red lip, because what's a high puff without hoop earrings and a bold lip? I look good. Well, that's it. You know, just a quick, easy way to fix your messed up hairstyle. And ain't nobody had to know you messed up. I meant for my hair to be in this crazy high puff with slight little curls on the end, not much definition in the front, and this big. I did, and I like it. Let me know what's your go-to hairstyle. I love either something like this or a sleek back ponytail or a sleek back puff or a bun. That's my ultimate go-to when I need to go out and I want to look cute. That's my ultimate go-to. Like, nobody can't tell me nothing when I got my sleek back bun ponytail. Thanks again for watching my video. Hit that like button if you like content like this, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.